Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and taking some time out of your day to be with me and my sleepy sidekicks. Zena is here. Can you say hi to everybody? Yeah, she's in it for the treats. Wyatt's here. You want to say hi? Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi? Yes, okay. And today I have for you a RocksBox unboxing. So I love RocksBox. It's a jewelry subscription service, but it's a rental subscription. So it's pretty cool. It's $21 a month and you get 3 pieces of jewelry. You do get to fill out a profile. You can create a wish list, but many times I do get at least 2 of the 3 items are directly from my wish list. Your stylist does curate the set for you based on your profile and your wish list. And you do have, I think it's 24 hours to swap items from that wish list if you would, or from your set that has been curated for you if you'd like to. So if there's a piece you don't like, you can swap it out and get something that you do like. So you're almost guaranteed to get jewelry that you like. Then the $21 that you pay each month, you can apply towards one of the pieces if you'd like to keep them. So, and you can keep these pieces for as long as you like. So your $21 does expire each month. But let's just say you like to keep all 3 pieces in your set. You could keep them for 3 months and each month apply that $21 if you wanted. Or if you don't like any of them, you could send them back and get a new set the very next week, right? And maybe apply that $21 towards your next set. So it's pretty flexible. I really enjoy it. It gives me a chance to try out pieces that I'm not sure if I really would like or not. So sometimes like the climber earrings or fringe earrings or things that I'm thinking I'm on the fence about and don't really want to invest in up front, I'd like to try them out first. So far I've enjoyed it. And I will put my referral link down below just in case you guys would like to give it a try. If you use that link, your first box will be free. So here is my box. I love the presentation. I've already opened up my ribbon. And inside the box, you do get a little booklet that tells you exactly what each of your pieces are, how much they cost, and what your total would be if you kept them. There is always a buy 3 discount, which is usually $10. Sometimes they will have a promotion that'll be more. You also get a little note from your stylist that'll tell you some things about each of your pieces. It is free shipping both ways. Mine came in this cute little bag just like this. You put everything back in the box that you don't want to keep and put it right back in the bag. It reseals. They give you a little, right inside here's the little envelope, but right inside will be a return label for you to put right back on the envelope. Everything comes inside a little jewelry bag. So cute. Let's check it out. Zena wants to see it. She thinks there might be a treat in here for her. I'm so not good at hiding anything in here for them. I can't sneak it in. They see it all the time. All right, first up is a necklace. And I probably don't have the right clothes on here to try these on for you very well. It's cold this morning and I don't really plan to leave the house, so I have cozy clothes on. So check out this first necklace. And let me get the name right. So this is the Aster Aloe Necklace in Amazonite. And look how pretty that is. So I think that is so pretty. Just that little bit of green. So pretty. Love it. And that says the retail price is $55 and the member price is $46. Oh, you guys can't see it. I like that it's a little shorter and it does have room to make it a little bit longer if you'd like. I probably have about that much more room. So it's very pretty. All right, next. I'm going to take off my earrings. Oh, these are the earrings. Check these out. These are the Ava Rose Camden earrings in gold and copper turquoise. Very, very pretty. I really like these. And these retail price was $70, and these are on a promo price right now of $54. Again, I'm not really wearing the right colors for these. I couldn't even remember what was in this box, if that's not so terrible. So I apologize for that. I'm gonna have to wear them again for you with a different outfit someday. Very pretty though. Doesn't go with my outfit, but very pretty. I feel like I need to change. Oh, those are so pretty. Okay, one more piece. And this is the Rudiment Zuni bracelet. And this piece has like the little, this might be hard to see, drawstring, so you can adjust. It's adjustable as far as for the size of your wrist there, because I have these tiny wrists. They're so abnormally small. I hope you guys can see that. Nope, it just keeps flipping. Let me try this. It has like a little bit of blue in it. It's not turquoise, actually. It looks like a little bit more towards the teal. There you go. If you guys can see that. Looks a little bit hard to see. Let me try it on and see if that would work any better. All right. I have tiny wrists, but not like terribly tiny hands, so maybe I won't be able to get them on for you. And the dogs are being like super quiet today. What's up? What's up, huh? All right, I got it on. A little bit of sun there in the way. So it's very pretty, very delicate, super delicate. Now Zena's like, what is going on, huh? Can you see? Now Zena wants to know what's going on. All right, so that was my RocksBox unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I do like these earrings. I think they're super pretty. They're a little bit heavier, so I can feel them in my ears, but not weighing them down. Very pretty. So everything would have been $151 with a $10 buy all three discount if I kept everything. And then, of course, your $21 for the month would come off of that as well. And you could always apply them individually each month if you wanted to. Or just keep what you wanted and send back anything that you don't want, free shipping. And little Miss Zena is already tired of this video and just wants her treats. So, hope everyone has an awesome, awesome day. I will put the list each of these items down below. I do see these greens don't really match here, but each piece is very pretty. All these blues are different. Everyone have an awesome, awesome day. Until next time, bye everybody.